Around your lake property, through your neighborhood, what do you see? Do you see the birds eating the native seeds or feeding insects? That's a dragonfly to their fledgling young. 97% of birds feed insects to their young. Where do the insects get their food? Plants. Plants are the base of the whole food web, whether it's birds, butterflies, bees, rhinoceros, or you. So that's importance of native plants. Do you see the pollinators? I know a lot of people say, I don't want any bees. Okay, we're not talking yellow jackets here that sting you horribly. And the honeybee, while it has its environmental problems, is not a native bee to the Americas. It's a European bee. It was brought from Europe. Do you know Indiana has 416 native bees? And how many of them sting you? Maybe the little sweat bee, but very few of them do. That play an important role in pollination and to keep that plant life, which is the bottom of the food web. Today I'm going to talk about lakescaping, and lakescaping is simply a buffer of native plants between the lake and the land. It creates a natural ecosystem that helps the fish in the lake and the aquatic species, and it also helps the upland species. And I'm going to challenge you that it's the new standard of beauty. Should our status symbol be acres of perfect turf grass that supports nothing, that roots that deep, that the water runs right over, picking up pollutants and taking it right in the lake? Or should the status symbol be the number of hummingbirds on your land? If there's a severe drought, except that first year you need to water them, keep them wet so the roots establish. That's the most important thing about native plants, are the roots.